Have you ever seen those movies where the main character suddenly unlocks 100% of their brain capacity and gains superpowers? They can learn languages in seconds, predict the future, or even move objects with their mind. It's a fascinating idea, right? But it's based on a complete myth. The notion that we only use 10% of our brains is one of the most persistent and widespread neuromyths out there. So, what would really happen if we could use our entire brain? The truth is, you already are. Let's bust this myth once and for all. Brain imaging techniques like fMRI and PET scans show us that even when we're just resting, our brains are buzzing with activity. Different areas light up for different tasks, but over the course of a day, you pretty much use every single part. Think of it like your muscles. You don't use all your muscles at once, but that doesn't mean you're only using 10% of them. You use specific muscles for specific actions like walking, lifting, or typing. Your brain works the same way. The visual cortex is for seeing, the auditory cortex is for hearing, the motor cortex is for movement. They all have their jobs and they're all essential. So if we're already using our whole brain, why can't we perform those movie-like miracles? The real question isn't about using more of our brain, but about using it better. Unlocking our brain's full potential isn't a matter of flipping a switch, but a lifelong journey of learning, growing, and optimizing its incredible functions. Let's dive into what that journey looks like and explore the real, science-backed ways we can enhance our cognitive abilities and get closer to our personal best. First, let's talk about neuroplasticity. This is the brain's amazing ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Every time you learn a new skill, form a new memory, or have a new experience, you are physically changing your brain's structure. It's like paving new roads in a bustling city. The more you travel a certain road, the wider and more efficient it becomes. This is why practice makes perfect. Whether you're learning to play the guitar, speak a new language, or master a video game, you are literally rewiring your brain. So how can we supercharge this process? One of the most powerful tools is focused learning. Instead of passively consuming information, actively engage with it. Ask questions, make connections to what you already know, and try to teach the concept to someone else. This deep level of processing strengthens the neural pathways associated with that information, making it easier to recall and use later. Techniques like the Feynman technique, where you explain a complex topic in simple terms, are fantastic for this. Another key aspect is stepping out of your comfort zone. Your brain thrives on novelty. Doing the same things every day puts your brain on autopilot. To stimulate growth, you need to challenge it with new and complex activities. This could be anything from solving puzzles and brain teasers to learning a new dance routine or visiting a new place. The key is to engage in activities that require your full attention and push your cognitive limits just a little bit. This doesn't mean you have to become a quantum physicist overnight. Small, consistent challenges are what build a stronger, more resilient brain over time. Now, let's consider the physical health of your brain. Your brain is an organ, and like any other organ, it needs proper care. Diet plays a huge role. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, are fantastic for brain health. Antioxidants found in berries and dark leafy greens help protect your brain from cellular damage. And let's not forget hydration. Your brain is about 75% water, so even mild dehydration can impair your focus and memory. Eating a balanced, brain-healthy diet is like giving your cognitive engine premium fuel. And then there's exercise. We often think of exercise as being for the body, but it's one of the best things you can do for your brain. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. It also stimulates the release of growth factors, which help create new neurons and connections. Studies have shown that regular aerobic exercise can improve memory, attention, and even increase the size of the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for learning and memory. You don't need to run a marathon. Even a brisk walk a few times a week can make a significant difference. Equally important is sleep. Sleep is not a passive state of rest. It's when your brain is hard at work. During sleep, your brain clears out toxins that build up during waking hours, a process that's vital for long-term brain health. It's also when your brain consolidates memories, transferring them from short-term to long-term storage. Think of it as a librarian organizing the day's books onto the proper shelves. Without enough quality sleep, your ability to learn, remember, and solve problems plummets. Prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule of 7 to 9 hours a night is a non-negotiable for peak brain performance. What about our mental and emotional state? Stress is a major brain drainer. Chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, a hormone that can damage and kill brain cells, especially in the hippocampus. This can lead to memory problems and difficulty concentrating. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. These practices train your brain to focus on the present moment and let go of distracting thoughts. Research has shown that regular meditation can actually change the structure of the brain, increasing gray matter density in areas associated with learning, memory, and emotional regulation. It's like a workout for your attention and emotional control centers. So if we combined all these strategies, what would the fully optimized human look like? We wouldn't be levitating or reading minds, but the real-world results would be just as remarkable. Imagine being able to learn new, complex skills with ease, whether it's coding, a musical instrument, or a new language at any age. Picture having a razor-sharp memory, effortlessly recalling names, facts, and experiences with clarity. Think about the ability to solve complex problems with creativity and insight, seeing connections that others miss. This optimized individual would have incredible emotional resilience, navigating life's challenges with a calm and focused mind. They would be less prone to distraction, able to enter deep states of flow and concentration at will, leading to higher productivity and a greater sense of accomplishment. Their creativity would flourish, allowing them to generate novel ideas and express themselves in unique ways. They'd be more empathetic, better able to understand and connect with others on a deeper level. This isn't science fiction. This is the real potential that lies within each of us. The difference between an average brain and an exceptional one isn't the percentage used, but the quality of its connections, the efficiency of its processes, and its overall health. It's a symphony of well-tuned systems working in harmony. The journey to unlocking your brain as full potential is not about a magic pill or a secret hack. It's about building a lifestyle that nurtures and challenges your brain every single day. It's about being a lifelong learner, staying curious, and actively engaging with the world. It's about taking care of your physical body through diet, exercise, and sleep. And it's about tending to your mental well-being through practices like mindfulness and building strong social connections. So the next time you hear someone mention the 10% brain myth, you'll know the truth. You're already using 100% of your brain. The real, exciting adventure is discovering just how much that 100% is truly capable of. Start today, learn something new, go for a walk, get a good night's sleep. Each small step you take is a step toward unlocking the incredible power you already possess. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this journey into the brain's potential as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into science and self-improvement. What's one thing you're going to do today to challenge your brain? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.